Yes, students, next we have real account. Real account are the accounts which relates to tangible or intangible assets of the firm, excluding debtors, because debtors are persons. So real account rule is not applicable on debtors. Tangible here means which can be touched, which can be seen. The things which can be touched, which can be seen, like plant and machinery, land, building, investments. These all are examples of tangible assets. The assets which can be touched, which can be seen, or intangible assets which we can't see, which we can't touch, that are patents, trademark, goodwill. Goodwill is what? It is a kind of reputation of the firm, reputation of the company, and you can't see the reputation, you can't touch the reputation. So that is why these are called intangible assets, and which can be touched are called tangible assets. And in the real account we include both type of assets, whether intangible and whether tangible. Now what is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Whatever comes in the business, because we are preparing the books for the business, so that is why whatever is comes in the business is debited, and whatever goes out the business is credited. So this rule is applicable only on the assets. Next we have nominal account. Nominal account relates to expenses, losses, gains, revenues are terms as nominal account. So all the losses, all the expenses, all the gains and revenues are included in the nominal account. For example, salary, purchases, interest paid, sales, commission received. Such type of accounts are included in it. So this is the account in which revenue and expenses accounts are included. And what is the rule of it? Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gain. Whenever there is any income in the business, income account like commission received, that will be credited. Whenever there is any kind of loss and expense like salary is an expense, so it will be debited. So you have to recall all these basic rules of the accounts, because if you don't know which rule belongs to which account, you are unable to pass the journal entries. So keep recalling these 3 points. Personal account rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account rule is what debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And nominal account rule is debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gains. Then, but in nominal account, when we prefix anything in front of these accounts, it becomes personal account, like outstanding, interest received in advance, prepaid salaries, prepaid commission. When these outstanding, prepaid, these such words prefixed among these in front of these accounts, then it becomes personal account, which is called representative personal account. But without simple account, interest account, rent account, salary account, commission account belongs to nominal account. So at this time we will apply the rule of nominal account, and these are the accounts on which we will apply the rule of personal account. So this is again the rules are written here. You have to recall these rules again and again. And now you have to identify the accounts, personal, real and nominal accounts, which account belongs to which account belongs to personal account, which is to the real and which is to the nominal. So you have to practice it. So cash is what? Cash is a real account. Why? Because it is our tangible asset. You can see, you can touch it. Bank is what? You can't touch the bank account. Bank account belongs to the, maybe it be a account of a proprietor, may it be a account of a company, so it belongs to personal account. Outstanding salary, again it is impersonal, it is representative personal account. So we will apply the rule of personal account. So in this way you have to identify all these account, whether it is real account, whether it is personal account, and whether it is nominal account. So in this way you have to solve these two illustrations which is given, and then this is called transaction. Whenever I am talking about, this is the just identification of, this is just identification of the account. And here is what, in the nominal account, identification of account, next step is one more added. By the rule it is debited or credited according to the rule, because rent received is a nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? Debit all income and gain, debit all expenses and losses, and credit all income and gains, and it is a gain, so that is why it is credited. Machinery belongs to real account. So in real account, whenever you will purchase the machinery, it will be debited, so it is debited here. So in this way you have to identify and debited and credited the accounts.